Hello and welcome to the Sand to Pearls Market Commentary, Market Week ending Friday, April 5th, 2013. And what an interesting day that was, if I may say so. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our bull-bear point and figure ratio fell from 2.19 to 1.51, still in bullish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns decreased 6% to 2,294. The count of bearish stocks increased 20%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns decreased 17%. The Sand to Pearls PNF Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 14 consecutive weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Excel data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking on the Membership tab, and clicking Sign Up. As you will notice, if you go that far, there is available a 2-week free trial subscription, which you might want to try out. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, fell 199 points for the 14th decline in 28 weeks. At a positive 346.97 points, it has now dropped below the September 2012 top and remains below the February 2013 top, yet above the November 2010 top, the January 2011 top, the November 2011 top, the November 2011 top, the July 2012 top, the June 2010 bottom, the March 2011 bottom, the June 2011 bottom, the August 2011 bottom, the December 2011 bottom, the March 2012 bottom, and the November 2012 bottom, and below the February 2012 top. The market gauge volume analysis was not available this week. Momentum. From our zero line reject long signal at Friday 3/22 close, the CCI 20 continued upward the following week and then dropped below plus 100 at Monday 4/1 close, our exit signal. The result of this trade simulation was a gain of 12.78 points on the Nasdaq Composite Index, or 21 cents per share of QQQ. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 8 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend 3 weeks ago. The CCI 20 weekly now has 14 weeks above zero and began a Woody's uptrend 8 weeks ago. At 73.80, it continues outside the plus or minus 50 range for a valid zero-line reject signal. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and all of the bottom 5 industries are negative. Bullish REITs has entered the top 5. Gold and silver has entered the bottom 5. Brokers and banks have left the bottom 5. Bearish, disk drives, and networkers remain in the bottom 5. Computer tech has entered the bottom 5. Focus this week. Paul Craig Roberts has some words of wisdom about the end result of the current suppression of gold prices. The Assault on Gold by Paul Craig Roberts. Quote, "For Americans, financial and economic Armageddon might be close at hand. The evidence for this conclusion is the concerted effort by the Federal Reserve and its dependent financial institutions to scare people away from gold and silver by driving down their prices." End quote. Quote, "By its obvious and concerted attack on gold and silver, the U.S. government could not give any clearer warning that trouble is approaching. Be wise, be brave, of course you have to be in the markets. And for the upcoming week, happy trading!